Hey everyone. Today we're going to talk about the CopilotKit Dojo and focus specifically on generative UI. The Dojo is an interactive playground built by the CopilotKit team where you can explore every core building block for building agentic experiences. We built it because building agentic UI can feel a bit overwhelming and there are a lot of patterns and it's hard to know where to start. The Dojo gives you that mental model, focused building blocks that cover the essential pieces. You understand these, and you can build just about anything. First, agentic chat. This is the foundation, a live chat interface connected to an LLM or a LangGraph agent, and we can chat with it, and the agent will respond back. This is the baseline experience, and as the agent processes messages, streams responses, you get a conversational interface out of the box. But think bigger than a conversation. So the agent also has access to front-end tools. So you could do something like ask the agent to change the background color in your application. And it does it. This is your starting point before you layer on any custom generative UI. Next, backend tool rendering. This is where generative UI starts. This lets you render custom React components when your agent calls a tool on the backend. So you can invoke that tool and your component appears inline in the chat. You can show something like a loading state while the tool runs and swap the final result when it completes. Instead of plain text, the user sees a weather card streaming in live. And since this component is connected to an API, the data is also dynamic. Human in the loop. This one pauses the agent and waits for the user's input. It works like a tool renderer, but adds a respond callback. So we could ask the agent to build us a complex plan. And the agent stops, your component renders. And in this case, it's a list of steps that we can uncheck. And when the user clicks approve or reject, the respond callback sends their answer back. The agent never proceeds without human approval. This is really critical for things like database deletions, transaction processing, anything with real consequences. Tool-based generative UI flips the direction. Instead of the backend defining tools, you define the tools on the front end that the agent can call. We can say something like, make a spring haiku, and a nice, beautiful React component is rendered in the chat with an image that the LLM chooses. Because these tools live in the browser, they have access to DOM state, browser APIs, anything in your React app. So your agent discovers them automatically through CopilotKit's state sync. Agentic generative UI takes a different approach. Instead of rendering per tool call, your render UI is based on the agent's evolving state. So we can ask the agent to build a complex plan, and as the agent moves through its steps, its state updates, and your render function receives the current state. So you can build different UIs for each phase. In this case, it's a checkbox of steps that the agent took as the state is updated, all displayed in the chat. Shared state creates a bidirectional bridge between your agent and your React front end outside the chat. So we could change the title of this card to Carrot Cake and quiz the agent and ask it, what are we baking? Now, under the hood, we're using the useAgent hook, which returns state and set state. So when we make a change inside our application, the state is updated and the agent picks up on that. So this is one tiny example of possibilities for rendering AI state in your app's main UI. All right, so that's the CopilotKit Dojo and agentic building blocks that show you what's possible when your agent drives the UI. CopilotKit gives you all of this out of the box. Please head to the dojo at dojo.agui.com to try it for yourself. And if you found this helpful, leave us a comment and let us know what you want to see next. Last but not least, come hang out with us on Discord. We'd love to hear what you're building. Thanks for watching.